everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a rose quartz stretchy bracelet. I'm going to cut 12 inches of elastic. And I'm going to bead 7 inches of the gemstone chips, which is a standard bracelet size. The chips are 5 to 8 millimeters long, and here's one I made earlier. So we have lots of new subscribers. My name is Claire and I make handmade jewellery, and I have a website and I sell craft and jewellery supplies. So lots of the products you see here are available on my website, www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk. I'll leave a link in the description below. I'm just going to speed this up for you. I'm using 0.8mm elastic. And I will show you at the end how to tie an elastic bracelet if you want to make one yourself. I was here last night writing a list of all the videos that I want to make for you. I've got lots of supplies that came in yesterday, so I'm going to do a video on all the new supplies that I have. And down the line I will use those supplies, show you what you can do with them if you want to. So if you are new and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It's a very windy day and I have the door open behind me. You can hear the wind blowing through the trees. Rose quartz is my favourite gemstone. I'm really drawn to it. Some of those holes can be a bit fiddly, but I think it's because I didn't have my glasses on. add a couple more. Okay, and now we're ready for tying. So we give the bracelet a good stretch. And we do a normal knot, just as if you're tying your shoelaces. And then I'm going to go and do another knot, but I'm actually going to put it round again. So instead of going over once, you go over the top. I'll put a picture for you. And then give it a stretch. Here's the photo. Then we tie again and again. And stretch. And then we cut the excess elastic off. And there we have it. Rose quartz stretchy beaded bracelet. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.